Welcome. Today in this video, I will show you how to compress any large file into a small one using Winrar software. Please note that the high compression of a file depends on the file type. Any file like TXT file, document, Excel file, PDF file, HTML file, these files are highly compressed. But, we cannot compress MP3, MP4, video clips using this software. There are other software to compress such files. If you want to know how to compress files like this, leave a comment. Okay, let's start. You will see that this file is 1 GB. Now right-click on the file. And click on Add Archive. You can rename the file as you want. Select RAR. Choose the best. Select 128 MB. And click on Create Solid Archive. You can set password to this file. If you want, click it and set password. Finally, click OK. It will take some time, so I will speed up this process.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay? No more!
Yeah, boy.
Now you can see how this file is compressed to 5.3 MB. I hope you understand the process. Thank you for watching.